Every morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed and start my day. First, I make breakfast for my family. I cook eggs, toast, and make coffee. We all eat together, and then my husband goes to work and my children go to school. After breakfast, I clean the kitchen and wash the dishes. Then I sit at my computer to start my work. I am a freelancer, so I work from home. I write emails, design websites, and help people with their projects. I like my work because I can do it from home. At 12 p.m., I take a break to make lunch. I usually make a salad or a sandwich. After lunch, I continue working until 3 p.m. When my children come home from school, I help them with their homework. Then I cook dinner for the family. We all eat together and talk about our day. In the evening, I relax. I watch TV or read a book. Sometimes I do some more work if I have a deadline. I go to bed at 10 p.m., feeling happy with my day.